diaper Genie with Genie Elite because it has a paddle. It's more easy and convenient to push down the diaper inside. Okay, Brian? Is this nice? Take this.
Our previous video in which we had unboxed Diaper Genie expressions. So today I am going to unbox the latest variant of diaper pail that is called Diaper Genie Elite by Playtex. Diaper Genie Elite, you get one refill pouches for diapers and this carbon filter which you can place inside the bin over here. Mama. This is an all-in-one diaper pail, and the best part of this variant is that I don't require to bend or to open the lid or using my hands because it's a bit tall and has a foot pedal for easy, hygienic and hands-free opening. So Ibrahim, throw the diaper inside, right? Throw the diaper inside. Yes. Oh my God, good job. And it's done. It also has a built-in antimicrobial that inhibits bacteria growth on the pail, and unlike other pails without clamps, this one features double airtight clamp that works with the 7-layer diaper pail refill bags and carbon filter for odor protection.